Jason, can you move it left a little? Keep going. Yeah, oh, not too far. Back. Yeah. Nice. Okay. So what we're going to have a look at today, presenting data using graphs and charts. Okay, can you just write that down on the top? So that's what we're going to have a look at. Last time we looked at tables. Okay, you got that? Yep. Great, okay. So, does anybody know the name of this type of chart? And then the question could be, how often do you read? And maybe here it says never, 50%. Maybe we should say, how often do you read? Do you know what non-fiction is? How often do you read non-fiction? Do you know what non-fiction is?
Yeah.
What type of book is this?
Just non-fiction. Don't read. Don't like to read fiction.
Oh yeah, but what my question is, what is non-fiction book? Does anyone know?
Science.
No? Yeah, science. Science book.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Are you Jason?
Yes.
You know this word non-fiction?
Yes.
It's like a science book.
Not really.
No, this word non-fiction means like a science book.
Humanity.
Yeah.
History.
Science.
Philosophy.
All this.
Yeah.
Yes, all this. Okay, so 50% never, and then maybe sometimes 25%, and maybe here often 10%, and rarely 10%. No, that's not right. 15. Alright, so what is this called? This type of chart? What's this called? What's its name?
No.
Good guess, but no. Nobody knows the name of this?
A pie chart.
Pie chart. It's in your book?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's in your English book.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Pie chart. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yes? Good. Okay. Have you done this with Dennis? No. But it's in your English book.
Yeah.
But you haven't done that with Dennis. What page is it on?
12.
And you didn't do this with Dennis?
No.
Maybe Mark. Maybe Mark.
You did it with Mark?
Yeah.
But you did it?
Yeah.
Good. Okay. So, my question here is, if I had 200 people, how many said they would never read non-fiction? If you have 200 people,
Yeah.
how many would be never? Never
100.
100. Sometimes
Sometimes
50.
50.
Often
This is
come on, you can do it.
30.
Thank you. Just took a little time. And then rarely 20. Oops. Okay. Let me give you a bit more vocabulary. So this is called a pie, and what would you call like this part of it? What's this name? Piece of pie? No.
No, half.
Half a pie? Yeah, but what's the name of this piece? It has a name.
Piece pie.
Not a piece. We call this a segment. So this is the biggest segment. What is the smallest segment? This one. Yeah. So segment is the name of these pieces. Yeah.
Yeah.
So segment is a noun, and it's the name of these pieces. So it's like a part of the pie. Part of pie. Yeah. Okay. So make some notes of these new words, please. So you have pie chart and you have segment. Got this? Yeah. Sean? Can I go down?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. Some things to remember about pie charts. Whoa, ugly, ugly. 1, 2, let's see. A segment, B segment, C segment, D segment, E segment. What must what must the total be? What must the total be?
Future.
Yeah, like if you add this plus this plus this plus this plus this, must be 100%. Okay? Yeah? So, usually when we have a pie chart, we normally use percentages. You remember this word percent? We did this, I think, 2 weeks ago, maybe.
Yeah.
So, how does anybody know the angle here? How we can make the angle, how big it is. So for example, let's say A is 20%. Here's A. And we'll call the angle alpha. Does anyone know how to calculate the angle?
72.
Yeah, but how? How did you get this answer?
300.
Yeah.
80.
360.
60.
Yes.
60. How to repeat it?
Yeah, how to say it? Hey.
If how to say that
360. Oh, don't tell me you forgot this word. Did you forget this word, Sean? This word. I'm embarrassed.
If
Oh, Sean.
I forgot.
Begins with an M.
I forgot.
Oh, Sean. Multiply.
Multiply. Multiply.
Continue. Multiply. Yes.
20%.
Yeah, but how? Not 20%.
0.2.
Yeah, 20 over
Over.
100.
Yeah.
This is how you can get this angle here, for example. Okay, so the information is in the angle. The information is here in the angle. So big angle means a big percentage, and a small angle means a small percentage. Yeah? Now, I have to show you, I'll show you an example of a bad pie chart. Tell me why this is bad. Actually, maybe I'll just put in. So let's say students drink. So they drink tea, they drink coffee, and they drink water in the morning. Yeah. So what's wrong with this pie chart? What's wrong with it? So look, here's the tea, and I'll tell you maybe there are 100 students. Here's the tea. Here's the coffee drinkers. And then here are the water drinkers. What's wrong with this?
Lost a part of half.
Yeah, but why do I care? Why do I care?
No point.
Yeah, there's no point here.
Yes.
But why is that a problem?
It's not pi.
It's not a pie, yeah, but why is that a problem? What's the problem? Any ideas? No? That's okay. We're missing the middle, aren't we?
Yeah.
We need the middle because the middle of the segment here, that's where the angle is.
No angle.
No angle is the problem. So like here, this segment is missing the angle as well. And this segment here also is missing the angle. So that's one problem. Another problem? Well, another problem is really you should write the percentages in too. You should. So you should say like here 50%. That's another problem. And one more problem, my title is not clear. Students drink like, I should say students preferred drink for breakfast. Yeah? Yeah. So there's a few problems here. So when you make your pie chart, be careful. What about a pie chart like this? Oh, hang on. Hang on.
Yeah.
Yeah, hang on. I can. No, it's not okay. I don't like it.
What's it?
Yeah, what?
Segment. Like a face.
It is like a face.
It's small.
Yeah. Yeah. Now face.
What's wrong here? What's wrong with this?
How to say this?
Yes.
It's not in one. No text.
No title is one problem. Yeah, okay. So you're right. One problem, no title.
Yeah.
What else?
No angle.
Huh?
No angle.
No angles, or at least the angles are more difficult to read. And they're not together.
Yeah.
Because maybe when you put these together, it's like one circle and a little bit extra. Do you know? Like maybe it's like this.
Yeah.
Then they don't fit together.
Mm-hmm.
That's a problem. Okay, and then one more bad one. Let me see. What else could you do wrong? Oh yeah. What,
Data.
what's wrong here?
Data.
So let's say this is A, B, C, and this can be percentage of grades.
The percentage is wrong.
Yeah.
How's it wrong?
It's
Not 100.
11. About yes, 40.
Total percentage is more than
More than
100%. So this is quite bad. Yeah. So I have so what I have here is pie chart. Yep.
Mm.
And some down the bottom here, yes. Question 1 is true false.
Mm.
True false here. And question 2, this graph has at least 2 mistakes.
Mm.
So you have to tell me what the 2 mistakes are.
Mm.
Yeah. You look so tired.
Yeah.
You look tired.
Yeah.
You look tired. And you look tired. Everybody looks tired.
Yeah. You look tired too.
I am. Well, that's because I am tired.
Yeah.
Finished? Not yet. Translating, Jason? Why are you translating?
No.
Ah, you're using QQ or RenRen.
What's the cuckoo?
You know what QQ is. Chinese program
No, no.
for chatting. Yeah?
What's
For
it?
talking.
No.
No?
It's a dictionary.
Is it? Okay.
It's
Really? Okay. Are you finished? Okay, I believe you. I believe you. Finished? No, you're not finished.
The last one I got the final one read.
Only one mistake.
Yeah.
Okay. Did you write it down?
Read it?
Oh, come on, Sean. Don't be silly. Come
Yeah.
on. Now, finished?
Mm.
Yes? So, there were 25 people who said that they sometimes read non-fiction. True or false?
False.
False!
Yeah, true. True.
True, no, false. Oh, yeah, false.
Yeah, it's false.
Yeah.
It's 15.
Says 25 people. No, it was 50 people.
Oh.
25%. Now, Sean, you're not that great. Relax. Okay. More people responded with often than with rarely.
Yes.
True.
True.
Yeah.
Correct. Twice as many people never read non-fiction books compared with those who read them sometimes.
True.
True. Yep. Only 3 people said that they often read non-fiction.
False.
Yeah. False. False. Yeah. Because how many people were there that read that often read? 30. 30 for often. Yes.
Yeah.
Are you sure? Okay, I hope so. Now, what are the problems with the second graph? So, Sean, you said you found one problem. What's that?
We don't know the segment stands for what.
Exactly. You don't know what the segment stands for.
Yeah.
True. Very good. That's one big problem.
Yeah.
What else is a problem? So the first problem.
Maybe the title.
Well, yeah. Firstly, segments are not named.
No.
What else is a problem? Title
Maybe the title. Yeah.
No.
is not
clear.
clear.
Yeah.
And what else? One more problem.
No. No.
Oh yeah, I think so.
I can't find the
Well, I think the last problem is the colors
color.
Yeah.
are
Yeah.
poor. So look, wait, look. If you're going to use black and white, then you shouldn't have colors. You should have patterns. Like this could be like this, and then this piece could be like this, and then this piece here could be like this. Okay. So the colors are per. You should use patterns. Use patterns instead. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
You know, yeah? The difference is not so clear. Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. Can I continue?
Yeah.
So, the first graph we looked at was a pie chart. Now, the second type we'll look at is a bar chart. So, we use pie chart for percentages, and you can actually see a picture of the bar chart there. When do you use bar chart? We don't use it for percentages. When do we use it, do you think?
Just use number.
Yeah, which is called what? I see you don't have this word. Maybe Jason remembers it from last week.
Border.
Not this one. F. You use it for frequency. Do you remember this word, Jason? Yeah. So the way the bar chart works. Well, this isn't here. On this side is the frequency. And this side is qualitative. Yeah. Give me an example of qualitative. Give me an example. Not here, not this one. Give me an example of qualitative. Qualitative data. Year? No. That's quantitative. Qualitative.
Money?
No.
Let's talk about money is the same. It's both sometimes.
No. Money is sometimes continuous and discrete.
Country.
Yeah, quantitative and qualitative. We forgot qualitative.
Different country.
Different countries. So maybe this is students from China, students from Saudi Arabia,
Spanish.
students from Ireland, students from Spain. Food,
Yeah.
what food you like.
So,
Yeah.
Chinese in
That's it,
India.
yeah.
My country use the year.
Year is quantitative.
Quantitative.
I want qualitative. Maybe you missed this lesson. Maybe. You remember this? Quantitative and qualitative. Yeah? So we use a bar chart. Okay, so write this down. Use bar chart when dealing with qualitative data that you count. So that's the frequency. And then on the graph here, the frequency goes here,
Yeah.
and the data goes here, and you draw the bars. So these are called bars. These are the bars. And also note, you must have space. You must.
Yeah.
Does anyone know the name of this space? What do they say in London when you're underground? Please mind the... Ah, you must know this. Have you been to London? No? You know the underground, their subway. Yeah? They say, please mind the... You know? And then here you are. And then you get on the train, and there's this here.
Gap.
That's it. Please mind the gap.
Yeah.
Have you heard this before? Oh, you haven't heard this? No? Please mind the gap. So this here is called a gap. So gap is what they're called. You've never heard this?
I heard.
You've heard it in London? No.
In China.
In China?
Yeah. In China you heard the gap? In China, when we take subway.
Yeah.
Have a Chinese
Sign.
yeah, and English.
Oh, it says it in English as well. Please
Yeah.
mind the gap.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I haven't care about it.
Yeah, I'm not surprised. Okay. Can I go down? Or have you written this down? I need you to write down like the words here and this. And qualitative and frequency. Yes? Okay. Now, sometimes if you want, I don't like it, but if you want, you can put the frequency here and the data here. Yeah, and draw the bars like this. I don't like this, you don't like this,
Yeah.
we don't like this.
Yeah.
But you can do it if you want. But I don't like it. So do you know the different word for this one, and then the different word for when it's this way? So this is called something with a, this one's the one with the H. This one,
H.
do you know this word?
I know this word.
Do you?
I forget.
No?
It's
Horizontal. And you know what it's called, the word, for this way? So this is horizontal.
Horizontal and vertical.
This is, yes.
I thought.
Ah, Sean forgets everything. Horizontal. Horizontal.
View.
No.
Start with D.
D. No. V.
V. Reason.
Horizontal. No. 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 Horizontal.
VI.
VI. No.
I know Chinese.
I know you know in Chinese, and I know it in English.
I know Chinese too.
Horizontal and oh my goodness.
Yeah, the second.
Vertical.
Vertical.
Vertical. Write that down. Horizontal and vertical. So sleepy. Sleepy, sleepy. Forgetting everything. Maybe I need to open the window. Maybe it's too hot and you're all sleepy.
No, I don't see it.
No?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you try these questions? Wait, also, on the next page, you need to draw bar charts. Now, draw me a pretty bar chart, not an ugly bar chart, please, okay? Do you have a ruler?
No.
Ah,
I have a.
okay, fine.
Yeah.
Fine. Okay, good. Okay, so try these, please. This and the drawing as well. It's not even open.
It's new.
It's brand new, okay.
Yeah.
How's your graph? Oh, so beautiful. finished. Two graphs. Hmm? Huh? No. Two graphs. One here and one here. Yeah? One more minute. No. I couldn't say. Yeah, okay, alright, okay. Let's have a look. It's okay. I'm going to draw it now. I'll draw it. Yeah. Let me just type the numbers in. Finish now, Sean?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Okay, let's do them. So, how many girls were asked about their favorite color?
200.
200, because it's 20
And
plus 50 plus 80 plus 10 plus 40. Yeah? 70, 80, 200, yeah. Did more girls prefer blue to red?
No.
No. How many girls selected pink?
82.
Which color was the
Black.
least popular? Black. Okay. Now let's have a look at our charts. So, first we'll have our chart.
Oh.
You're okay.
I'm sick.
Are you sick?
Always sick.
Always sick. Okay, let's see. So, title. We need to give it a title. What title would you
What
give
is
it?
the most popular term?
Yeah. Most popular type
Car
of car.
or
Yeah. Yeah. And then I don't know, we'll call it dealership. We'll make up a name. We'll call it Stevens Cars. That's where they were sold. Yeah. I don't know. Whatever. Dealership. The dealership means shop.
Sure.
Yeah. And we'll call it Stevens Cars. No. I got a better name. PFE Cars. PFE Bargain Cheap Cars. That's the name for a shop. Okay. What do we put on the x-axis? What's on the x-axis? It's the type of car. And on the y?
It's number.
Yeah, the frequency, the number sold.
Number sold.
Yeah. And I would like the x-axis shown. Oh, no, I don't. I meant that doesn't matter. I don't like these lines here. You see those lines? Yeah, but anyway, this is what you should have. Do you have something like this? Let's see. The same. Yeah. Can I see yours, Sean? Yes, and yours, Jason?
Just the file. No, turn different.
Huh?
Yeah, it's different.
It's different.
Yeah.
The first one is 32, isn't it?
Yes.
32.
But one piece is turn.
Oh, that doesn't matter.
Yeah,
Yeah, that
no,
doesn't matter.
no,
Yeah.
no problem.
Okay. Now the next one. Okay. So insert chart, and this time we want to draw it this way. Okay, and the title is most, what do we call it? Most popular?
Popular type of car.
Popular types of cars sold, and dealership, PFE, bargain, cheap cars. And the X, now the X is different. The Y this time is type of car, and then here is the number sold. Yes. So you have something like this. Yeah. Okay. Good. All right. Next now.
No, teacher.
No.
Type of car and number sold.
Oh.
That's wrong. It's wrong.
Yeah. Something wrong with the program. Because we said X was.
Was no true.
Because at the
I-
finish you don't.
Add this number.
No, I don't need to take that. Weird. That's a program problem. Okay. Next. What?
No,
No, it is.
Nothing.
It is, because you saw me type in X number sold.
Yeah.
You saw me type this, didn't you? You can watch the video again. It's not my mistake. Computer mistake.
Yeah.
Right. Line graphs. So these are graphs that look like this. You don't like this one.
I don't like it those
Ah, you do.
cars.
Ah, you do. Yeah. Now, for these graphs, you always put here on the X time. And on the Y could be anything, some value. So it could be like, for example, sales, profit, number of students. You know, anything really. As long as it's quantitative, you can measure it. Yeah. Quantitative. Okay. So give me some examples of graphs like this. Maybe you've seen in day-to-day life. Have you got any examples? Oh, sorry. You need to write this down. What? Like where might you have seen one? Give me an example. Students?
Subject.
Ah, no. Give me a real example from your life.
From my life.
From your life.
From my life.
Yeah.
Park, Central Park. Park.
Park?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Different park.
No. Something simple.
It's a complicated park.
Ah, no, but give me something simple from your life.
Income. Maybe.
Maybe.
Yeah, income is okay.
What about the weather?
Weather.
Yeah, what might be an example with the weather? What type of graph might you see with the weather?
Sunshine.
What?
Lovely day.
What about here? Day.
Yeah.
And here?
Start with
Half
T.
of.
T.
Oh, Sean. Sean.
Heat of
I need to
weather.
talk to Dennis about you now.
No.
What's it called?
Temperature.
Temperature.
Yeah, I remember, yeah.
Mhm. So you know it might go like something like this. You know this?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. What else? Give me another example from your life.
Ah. Age.
Yeah. Time and
Time.
age.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe something else. Not time and age.
Time.
Yes.
Wait.
Think about the news. The news.
News.
News. News story. Maybe day, and then maybe you have like stocks. You know, like in China.
Yeah. Yeah.
Recently, yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
So maybe when did this start? When was the problem in China recently? You know, the stocks.
Yeah.
When did they drop?
Yeah. Drop down
When?
dramatically.
Dramatically indeed. When? Last month? 2 months ago? Last week? Last month? You know what I'm talking about?
Last week.
Last week, was it?
I don't care honestly.
No.
I don't know.
Jason, do you know?
When it start?
No.
Oh, I don't care.
It's
When?
No, when he said when he come, the start date is not.
Yeah, it's not. When I came to Ireland, China stock is not.
Okay.
It's not
Okay, when
very
was
well.
that? When was that? How long ago?
Maybe 1 month.
1 month
Maybe
ago.
1 month.
So this could be like January.
Yeah.
And then maybe here is like February, and then this here could be like December.
Yeah.
Something like this.
Oh.
Yeah? Okay. We get the idea? For line, you have time and then a value.
Yeah.
So it could be, you know, euros or dollars or temperature, something like this. Yeah? Can
Yeah.
we think of other examples for day-to-day life? So if you go to your bank account, sometimes when you go to your bank account and you have your time and you have money here in your bank, every day, and then your parents maybe send you some money,
Yeah.
like this shape, would you say?
Yeah.
Yes? Okay. Okay. So this is line graph. So I gave you a picture of a line graph, and I have 2 questions about the line graph. Don't worry, I don't ask you to draw. Just look at the picture.
And in the bank, maybe.
No, let me see. Just one more picture to draw later.
I don't know.
Ah, yes, you like it. I know you like it secretly. Ah, you do. Yes. Who was that?
Two girls.
Students?
I don't know. I can't see them.
Okay. Is it the second part, Cruz? Down the bottom? Yep. Finished? Do you understand the second question?
No, I know.
Yeah, okay. What are you translating?
A word.
Yes, which word?
Is this.
What? Say it.
Is effective. Same accommodation. Accommodation. 住。
You know this word, don't you? Accommodation? This is an accommodation block. This building is accommodation block. Finished now? Yeah, okay. So, I'm looking for sentences for the first one. So, 3 sentences, you can give me 1 sentence each. So I'll start with you, Jason. Give me 1 sentence to describe this. Did you do it?
This? No.
No, this one. The one you did. Yeah. So, read 1 sentence.
Okay. This one graph shows the number of enrolled
Yep.
students. First of all, there is increased about 25 students to 100 students was enrolled by students by school.
Good. That's enough. Good job. So you give me another sentence, Sean.
I think the title is write 3 sentences to describe.
Yeah.
Yeah,
that's
whole
right.
number, but
Yeah.
don't need
It's about
He gave me use 3 sentences to describe the number of enrolled students, how it changed. So he said it started at 25,
Yeah,
about 25 to about,
100.
yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. What did
I
you write?
rather just the word
Decrease
go
or
up,
decrease?
That's fine, yeah, so read that, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, just the real one.
Yes, yeah.
The number will go up slightly between year 2 and year 3.
Between year 2 and 3, or between 1 and 2? So this one goes up slightly, goes down slightly.
Show up is.
No. This is go down.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
Drop up. DROP is drop.
Oh, drop down.
Drop.
Down. Drop
Oh,
down.
drop down.
Yes. Not drop up. Drop down. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, okay. Cruz, give me a sentence.
Numbers of students enrolled in this course increased dramatically between the third year and the
The
fifth
fifth
year.
year. Good. Good. Okay. The second question. Excellent. A researcher collects data from students living in an accommodation block. She asks them whether they find studying with friends more effective, less effective, or just the same as studying alone. So she wants to know, do they find studying with friends helpful? Would the researcher be able to use a line graph? So what do you think? Could she use a line graph for this data? What do you think, Sean?
No.
No. What?
No time.
Exactly. There's no time here. So no line graph.
Yeah.
Yeah. Simple as that. What chart should she use?
Pie chart?
Table, but what picture? What chart?
Pie chart.
Pie chart?
Yeah.
I think would be best. Pie chart.
Yeah.
Because how many segments would she have in her pie chart? I think she would have 3, wouldn't it? More effective, less effective,
Yeah.
or the same?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, we're good? I guess we're good.
Easy to draw.
Pie charts are easy to draw, yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Scatter diagrams. Write that, please. That name. Scatter. Scatter. You got this?
Yeah.
Okay. So we use this data when the data is in pairs, and when the both. So I'll write it like this: x, y, and both x and y are quantitative. So for example, you could have height and weight. Yes?
No. T.
Oh, sorry.
H, T, G, H, T.
Height and weight. Yeah. You could have something like age and weight. Or yeah, well that's the other one too. You could have age and income.
Yeah.
Age and income. What else might pair together?
Yeah.
What else? Maybe your shoe size
Age.
and your age or your height or your weight.
Yeah, your height.
Maybe your height would be best. So you picture here, you can put your height here and your weight here, so it should go up.
Yeah.
What about age and weight? Up, and we hope flat then.
Yeah,
Yes. And maybe even down again, yes. Age and income? up might be flat, then up again maybe.
Yeah.
Shoe size and height.
Uh,
I think bigger shoe size, taller person.
Yes.
Can you think of an example where it goes down?
Goes down.
Yeah.
Income with spend.
More income, spend less? No, I don't think so. Maybe something else.
Your age and the stop time.
Stop time? What do you mean by stop time?
Uh, yeah, it's sleeping time. Yeah, because we are old, it comes with long time.
Maybe.
Okay.
I tell you one.
Yeah.
BPM. Do you know BPM? It's called beats per minute, and it's for your heart.
Yeah.
How many? Yes, how many per minute?
Yeah.
So as
It's useful for sport.
oh yes, very useful for sport.
Yeah.
So usually what happens with beats per minute, as you get older,
Yeah.
like it starts off very high when you're born.
Yeah.
I think it's maybe 200 when you're born.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know. It's really really high. Well, maybe not 200. Maybe like 180 or something like this. And then as you get older,
Yeah.
it drops,
Yeah.
and then all of a sudden to zero. Yes, when you're dead. Yes. So the graph definitely goes down for this. Yeah.
I think it's but if people usually do sport, maybe he is
Yeah, no, that's true. If people do sports, what they can do, well, you see, when you do sports, I think your heart rate actually drops more because
Yeah, broad.
when you're overweight, when you're fat, if you're old and fat, I think your heart beats faster. So if you're old but healthy, it'll beat slower. Yeah. So you don't want your heartbeat fast when you're old and fat because it means your heart is doing lots of work. Why do you think your heart would beat faster if you're old and fat? Why would your heart beat faster if you're old and fat?
You see.
Yeah, but why does your heart beat faster? What's the reason?
Maybe do maybe expensive.
Be fast.
If you're fat,
Yeah.
why does your heart beat
Yeah.
faster?
Small.
Is the people?
That's a person. If you're fat, your heart beats faster because
I don't know.
because it has more work to do.
Yeah.
Oh.
Need to send some blood to
Yes, yeah.
your body.
More work to do. But if you're not so fat, less work to do.
Wow.
Yes.
Yeah? Yes?
Yeah.
Yeah. And also, you have higher blood pressure. You know blood pressure? Yes?
Yeah, I know blood
You know blood pressure? Yeah. They're beautiful pictures.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah? Alright. Science lesson. Now, when you draw your scatter plot, like for example age, or what would we say, height and weight, it won't be perfect like this.
Yeah.
It won't. Because for example, maybe you have one person who's tall and then his friend is taller, but maybe his friend is taller and very fat. But maybe they have a tall friend who's not fat, so maybe this will go down here. You know what I mean? And then maybe there is a short friend who's very fat. So the points, they won't be perfect. And then you draw your line, you know, something like this, whatever. Well, I should really make it go through 0 because no height, no weight. Yeah. Anyway, some vocabulary. So these are called points. And what's this line called? Do you know? No? It's called trend line, or it's also called best fit line. Trend, T-R-E-N-D, trend line. And these are points. And you see this distance here, and this here, and this here, and this here, and this here. These distances, which are bad, they're called offsets, or errors, or residuals. There's many words, but they're like mistakes. What you really want is this, dot, 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 line. You would love this, but usually it's like this. Okay? Can you write these words down? Important words. Now imagine you have one friend who is very short and very fat. So he is like here. That's very big difference, isn't it? So this person you call here outlier, because he is very different to everyone else. Yeah? Now when you draw your line, like you see the points here, you want the line to go between as many of the points as you can. So for example here, if your points are like this, you don't do this, you don't do this, you try and go through many points, like this. Can you draw the line? I want to see, oh you've done it, yeah, can you draw the line? I want to see your line. I'm just asking you to draw a line, come on. Be neat, Sean, be neat. Okay. Can I see Jason? Ah, no.
I don't.
Straight line, straight line. Straight line, yes. Straight. What? No. I want, look. I want a straight line. I don't want this. Not this. Where's your straight line? Show me. Yes, okay. Show me your straight line. Now, show me. Where? Better, yes, okay. Some questions here to answer, please. Oh, well, sorry. Which answer is correct? A, B, or C? Have a read. Yeah, which is true? A, B, or C? Okay, which is the right one? A, B, or C? Yeah. It's what? It's A, I would say. As the height increases, the weight increases also. It's A. Yeah. Jason, is that okay? A. Height increases, weight increases also.
Why?
Huh? Why? Can you see? So look,
Yeah, I
if
know.
you're bigger, you have more weight as well. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Next page. So tell me, look here. Oh no, not last. Nearly last. Nearly.
What?
Just relax. Relax. Now, your IELTS score. Do you have other English tests? High school English. You did English in high school? So tell me this, if your high school English was good, do you think your IELTS would be good? No?
No.
So, if you had a graph, and here is your high school English, and here is your IELTS score. If you have a good score here, do you have a good, average, or medium, low IELTS score? Or you don't, doesn't matter? No? So, for this graph, the points could be anywhere?
Yeah. So it's
So there's no relationship between the two. You could, someone who has maybe 80% here and IELTS 2. Really? It's possible?
yeah.
Maybe, really? Wow, okay. So there's no relationship here. Okay, what about if you had like, what's the other English tests? IELTS and Cambridge or TOEFL? Yeah. TOEFL. Do you think there's a relationship? I think so. If your IELTS is good, then your TOEFL should be good as well. So maybe the graph is like this. Now, in school, sometimes you have to do a final exam, and sometimes you have to do like coursework, a project. And then maybe this is worth, 10%, and this is worth 90%. So do you think there's a relationship? If students do a good job here, will they do a good job here, or not, or no relationship, or what?
Good enough.
Maybe if their coursework is good, their final grade is also good. So maybe. But maybe some people do good job and bad job, and maybe some people do bad job and good job. So maybe it's kind of roughly straight. Yeah? So, what you have here is some data of exam and coursework. I want you to put the exam on the X and the coursework on the Y. Yes? Show me your beautiful scatter plot. Beautiful, please. No ugly graphs, thank you. You can do it. I believe in you.
I don't believe myself.
You should believe in you.
I don't believe myself.
Oh my goodness.
Exam start is I.
Yes. And the line? Yeah, but it needs to be a straight line, you know, straight. Thank you. Better.
Very beautiful.
Oh, so beautiful, I can't believe it.
The point.
That's what it should look like.
Yes.
Most beautiful. Yes. Okay, so next time we have one more lesson. Yeah, no, it's okay, because the last thing is just, look here, we can do it together really quick. I think we did the first one. Which one is right and which one is wrong?
Yeah.
Which is right and which is wrong? That's it, yeah. Which one, guys? Which one's good, which one's bad? Tell me. First is, and second is bad, yeah. Now what about here? Which is good and which is bad? Second is what?
Good.
No, second is good. The first one is bad. Why? Why is this so bad?
I want to say.
No, this is bad. Why is this bad?
I want to say better.
Why is this bad? Why is this bad? Huh? The picture. The picture. The colours not clear. Not clear. Okay, so look. Next time we're going to do a lesson on how to discuss the data. So we've done graphs, and then next time we do discuss. And then after that lesson, we need to start working on our project, our research, yeah?
Okay.
So one more English lesson, and then we'll start talking more about the research. Okay, so you can start thinking of ideas for what you would like to research. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Okay. Enjoy your holiday.
Okay.
Oh wait. Please watch the video from last week.
Oh.
Please, it's important.
I will watch 2 minutes.
No. Please watch the whole video.
Yeah.
You have no classes next week.
Yeah.
So I just want you to watch this one video for me. Please. For me. Okay?
Oh.
Now you can turn